Now some of the lakes still have ice on it. Some of them have partial ice. Some of them have no ice. And here's where we are today, up by the Stewardship Forest. Check this out. Nice area. Today we have the rarest of rare things. We're in the middle of the winter. What's been a very unpredictable and sometimes frustrating winter. And we are doing so well with this project, I decided to take a day, and today is that day. Go out for a ride on the GS. That always gets me, well, makes me feel younger again. Since it's a one-owner bike and I'm the only owner. So what I plan to do here, I want to oogle my parts for the morning. I'm going to have my coffee, get that GS out and make sure there's air in the tires and the nitrous bottle is full. Make sure my nitrous bottle is full. Boy, I'm so happy the way this project is coming out. It'll be great to take a break from it today. The whole project has just exceeded my wildest dream. And every once in a while, right in the middle of the winter, it's supposed to actually go to 45 degrees. It's already 40. And I always say at 40, that's the time you don't want to miss a riding day. When it's nice and clear like this, should be a beautiful day. No matter what angle you look at the GS, I think it's just a beautiful and a totally bulletproof motorcycle. Now some of the lakes still have ice on it. Some of them have partial ice. Some of them have no ice. Still pretty cold up here. Still not a cloud in the sky. I'm getting sick of saying it. here's where we are today, up by the Stewardship Forest. Check this out. Nice area. This is the killer up here. Look at all the salt on the road. And that salt, it's going to take me an hour to clean the bike when I get back home. Still worth it to get a ride on a day like today. Look at that sky, not a cloud in the sky. Wow. Not a cloud in the sky. 45 degrees. Look at this, there's still snow up here. Wow. Didn't see much snow earlier in the ride, but as we're getting north, there's some more snow. Boy, what a day this turned out to be. Wow. Unbelievably beautiful day.
Well, what a beautiful ride, and for about the 50th time today I'm saying it. Not a cloud in the sky, just who knew in the middle of the winter you couldn't waste a day like today painting wheels or something. This was just an unbelievably nice day. Probably went up into the 40s, the mid to high 40s. It was just heavenly out there. Now, that area up by Stewardship Farms, that is a nice back road area. Only one problem, because they are about 6 to 10 degrees colder than we are here. They salt the hell out of the road. So there's salt. Now, the most fun you can have is after a ride to have to clean the bike. And right now I've got to clean that off. I don't like to leave that on the bike. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed sharing this ride. Why don't you just share it? Just come over and clean the bike for me. I think Luciano's on his way over here right now. Anyway, thanks for watching.
It was pretty funny. After I put the bike away, thought the video was over for the day, came back down here, and I realized, wow, every time I look at this, I'm happier than the time before. And having a great day out on the GS today. Hey, I was thinking about Dallas and him riding around in nice, warm, sunny California. And here it was 45 degrees. Actually, it probably got up to 47 or so. But where we ride, it's a lot colder, And there's still snow on the ground and the lakes are frozen. But boy, it was heavenly to get out of the house and get away from, well, the daily work that we're doing every day on this restoration. But tomorrow, we get back to work. So I hope you did, again, enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.